crystal tin sigi tiru tuan guidance la people la kasu ni kirangi lo da look imba ina dingin dum kirangi chidure kirangi august ki month kare kare august ki dawadi khande khande thodu odi kola reading la shwai. If you want to watch this video in English, then your timestamp will be in description. Okay, so go there and check out. Ani kalawri look lo tatso kiran sola ra tawa tina kare kare chudu ani kalawri last time kiran sola this ende de chungso dingone tawdo chungso la ende yara da so de kare do chi yo ina yang me comment section la share la share. Okay, ani kirangi current energy ra look lo tatso current energy and kirangi health, kirangi relationship, kirangi career, kirangi 3 big blessings. Okay, ani dambo kirangi current energy ra tada energy khandi dumo di kolare dara current energy kiran zura that next level la tobo la de cho de do si du pe na career gang la ina so nga tanda adu da gam sleka chi danga os experience you danga this level up chego la jo so on de do si la relationship la ina da os you know de cha ida pa to this ku you ge cha da chance ga wo da this engagement chego this serious next level kan la ya chu la ismi ta kiran ki di khare to la ina isi ge kiran ki this chigora next level high level kan la ya ki do deep sare do ki shi du ani kiran ki yana business de danda ba to kali gap the business also apo chasta expand chego to like me oh the kiran so energy danda next level la chego yang ma kiran so danda ba to da suggestion la pe yunu bu de sai da suggestion ba chila do la me da suggestion ba chila pe go la oh the ki kiran so la energy oh the do chi da the kene de shal and share. Okay, ani kiranzola upcoming energy da kiranzola su yungju di kharili gidula na eight of pentacles li do kiranzo pe sangina energy kandi ro chili gidula kiranzo yerge tange do me so yam so language in the saw and chang yerge tange do yam so ilega and yerge da yam so khal kore lob sen lob chung do yerge da yam so physical health khala chi gera da yoga do chi change yoga chi dan yerge tange do chi and do yerge tange me so mitsenal yerge tange o de do chi da kali gap yerge tange o de do chi energy kinan sala su yungi do lan shera anti chen kiran sala khalore health kan la yang kiran so da this satisfaction make do chi ra health kan this kan you so da di kare ne na sai ne in serious so this chi so ko weight mang ta do some yang weight nyung da do some ya tende do yo ra da so da current ki health la kiran so de ba ma khang de do chi tura ani de ba ma khang do khachi re ra ta nga ta na di du la me so ko pi du na thi du la ye to yan khachi da nga so ko weight mang ta du le o tin do health kan this ba ma khan de do chi du da di indu khachi ri la na kiran so action lingir ra chin de ke ba na la ni kiran so ge action lingir re ani kiran so health kan la ra pe change shuk chi bu ke li du la she ra ani diet kan la change shuk chi bu ke le to da min ju ri ba che do da am ji la ten to da min ya po sa do da treating kan la sam la ya po ta da participate che do da ni da gi shuwa na shi skill chi ya po yer ge tang gi du la di yoga gi form do ina yan so yoga china health kan pe yak du la do da ya shimba health kan ma zumba dance do china pe yak du ho tin da so health kan la yak po su ye gi ra kiran zo gi chashi pe ap digi du china ke bana la ra ka china da kiran zo gi health kan la kiran zo gi satisfaction de ba khang gang me sa re yo ho tin do chi tin du ani kiran zo gi relationship kan la ani kiran zo gi queen of pentacles li du ra di kiran zo relationship la pe towards pe passionate ra kiran zo la pe passionate kiran gi pe sewa shuk chimbuli ya kiran gi da partner ta so gi ta ning ye sa khau sewa che sa yora da ning yo kyoga ke me ta so phama pingya su la ne da so gi ning yo de zo la pe sewa shuk chimbu che pe respect show che ra pe sewa che o de do chi tin du ani kiran zo khashi ji chi du da yang changsa de ge celebrate ra de chung si du ra chin de ke wana la o de tin du kiran zo khashi ji ge pu ku du sam gyo an pu ke pu korea ho de ge yang chances chuk chimbu tin du chin de ke wana la. Okay, ani kiran zo family expenditure o de tin du ra kan kiran zo relationship kan kiran zo pe khalawda pa respect show che pa sewa che and chi du ni su yan sewa ra respect a iran di du ndi chena pe satisfaction de ba khangang de yora di du relationship ya poto to na pe ki yora di o de do a kiran zo da single to yin ba yin e kiran zo la da life partner ya po chi ra ki chance chu chi bu tin du da ra thogya ra mi sawa de mi chi kiran gi life la thogya on de cha shuk chimbu tin gido ndi to la kiran pe interest le wa mi de la ta nga yo interest less pomo de la ta yo interest less la ja budi la ta yo interest less la ja oh de do interesting mi de tu ya o de tin gido lan share single in baina kirangi kalaure career gala kiran ti competition kala shuk chimbo ton mi dizo kyo di che ora di che amar tende che ora business to ne chik mi dizo shigula gale lopsin do chi ne kiran lopchung do yin ba ine lopchung tende che ora di khajin lopsin di khajin changyu ti ma chang ti chang de do yor to mi ma bo pe kiran la lagale thi do chi tingi dura kiran la kala or career kang ti chi kiran la conflict do chi and khajin che and ma che ora ma bo chi lagale sare yo ada di kiran til kandis ore so ha gora ta de mi gi de la gali re lan so ha go aina so dambu ni de study te wa aina til che otu ba kya go mare yora ine ta ke ja kandis she go du ra so on de sama dambu ni tadik che nimbo ni she ni nga de la in yu de che de ba yu nga ra che la de re la to da ra ani o de so pe se she ning ji mu che tu ga yo de try che ora shima mi gi kyo la yana competition kyo career to la ra kyo la competition mambuli ya to da ra ani kyo ra ka ni the do de tingi dura ti den kyo na da competition do la wa ne so yargi tang ya rang sam lo tang mi competition do compare to che gale kyo la copy to che kyo ga che end do chi gyo ina ani ya koi copy chi du la ne dila na mai wa che so yarge khare tang dura sam lo de ondi ka la shawara focus te o tende do chira kiran zola da o tende do chi career ka la te chi so ka la focus che o tende li du da ani okay kala or three blessings ra blessings sum khare gar li du la na o dang bo or travel ta kiran zo relationship kala da kala or be respectful be yakpucha do ni ngoma gi chik madi wa do chi ra relationship na nyok sing chu pa nyok ta anti to khare do chi yo ine sangma kiran gi mewa cha sa re ra an kiran gi danda ba do chi khare chi la kiran gi khar de kan ye thi de kiran dun to mi do health kala re ya na ti sana le ni gi do ni pang to mi do samay de ra den de yo ine kiran gi blessings ki form la khare li du kiran gi chin de ge ba na la pang to ya ra tende gi khare do chi kiran la ni gi wa ine de ge sama pang to ya yo tende gi blessings ki form la li du la shwe okay ani kiran la mi ko do chi tangale wa ine kiran be go su do chi wa dang ba ni o la ne ra ko ta chi ge do ala ha ko de cho de ra tende gi blessings ra these are my blessings koncho gi kalore blessings lam dok ra ani kiran la khala ore blessings ni ba the two of swords lead ran kiran be intuition be deep chasari kiran be sem la shidi ra mi changma da khali kariti la sem la shidi mi nikale ti yo ran kiran sem la pe shidi shukchimbo feel change mi nga pe shidi do yang ma kiran deep breathing ani meditation and le ingi ra ya na she sof and nya o de china khachil pe sem la shidi to bi ra kan ta kiran la sem la pe shidi to be blessings ya na gomba and chinje and to ina khachiri nyang pe sem la shidi to gu do ya mi sa chimbo and to gu da and to do rangshing sim pe shidi to chi da tishi ga ma sha do shiwa to chi ra cha do da o de de blessings kiran sala chu yung do lan she okay ani kiran sala blessings somebody khari do king of wands ra kiran gi da ba do chi dagi shuwa nashire kiran ki tanda pato khare do chi dusu thola tang kiran la chi gyora da duga gi rik chi negativity samlo duga and khor dia do da dege sama kiran ki pang tu ya da ani positivity ka la shuk chimbo ta tu ya maung ba kiran la khare gi pen thok sare o de to la shuk chimbo ta tu ani o de ko shuk chimbo kiran ki planning je tu ya o de gi blessings ligi du lan shwera kiran chola o de gi blessing future pe ya pu kiran thong do o di che na future la pe ya pu cha sare di che na future shi ya pu mindu la do da kiran pe thak chu ya pu che tu ya dara o tende gi kiran chola chu blessings o tende de chili du la ne shweni okay ani kaje chi chi du yang relationship la problem du tro de yo ai ne re da da kiran zo relationship di yang na pe yak po su tu ya ra nyok jing di cham po su tu ya ra ba zo understanding deep level understanding che tu ya yang na kiran gi ra relationship di le ma den tu ya ra o tende ra de ma tu me kale ti yo ra mi ka she ra o tende kiran den tu ya o tende gi blessings yang du kaje chi chi du ri yang di message di ra chang ma la da yin ma re la shweni okay kiran zo chi da kala or message de kiranzala sama penging chimuchin rayo perewa yura ani kalaure yindun de la kata channel la subscribe lan share ani shibani kalaure okay and see you very soon nudu che yong. Okay, so if your Tibetan zodiac sign is sheep, then this video is for you. I hope you understand very well and you receive your message very well because so many of you have requested me to speak in English, so I tried my best here, okay? So first I'm going to do is your current energy. Your current energy is Three of Wands. So this says you want to expand something. This can be anything. Your relationship. If you are in a relationship, you want to go deeper in that relationship, or if you are doing some business, you want to expand that business, or if you are in a school, or if you are working towards your health, you want to improve more and more about your health. And if you are a student, you want to study abroad, or even if you are working person, you want to work abroad as well. I think your energy looks like this. Whatever you just want to expand your that thing right now, this can be anything. Okay, so you know that, right? And the upcoming energy is the Eight of Pentacles. So you want to improve something. You will find your passion and you want to improve that very well. This can be anything. You want to improve your language, you want to improve your some skill, you want to improve your study level, or you want to improve your relationship. This can be anything, but you want to improve that very passionately. Okay, so this energy is coming your way. And for your health, you are not satisfied with current your health. Okay, so this can be you might be feeling I have extra weight, or I am underweight, or I am not very well, I am sick, or this can be anything. Whatever this is, you are not satisfied with your current health. So in this August month, you want to improve your health. So you will take that action towards your health, and you will be very good in the future because of that action. Okay, so in August month, you are going to take very seriously action. Okay, it's very serious about your health. And about your relationship looks very good. If you are in a relationship, you might get married. If you are single, you might meet a person who is very passionate towards you. And if you want to conceive, then you might conceive in this August month as well, and you might visit some marriage function or engagement, or you yourself going to get married in this August month as well. This can be happen for you in a relationship. Anyway, your relationship is very good because you are being very respectful towards your every relationships. Okay, and you are being very passionate towards your partner. So this looks very good. And about your career, in your career, I see little bit of conflict, or this can be comparison, your competition. You will get so many competition, or you might get so many opinions other people about your career, about your studies, or this can be anything in your career right now, right? So but you have to be ready for that, and you don't have to fight back with that. You just have to focus in yourself, in your career. If you are getting some comparison competition with your career, then you have to focus yourself to make better, not focus on them like they are comparing with me, they are my competition. You don't have to focus on them. You have to focus yourself to make yourself better. Okay, so and if so many opinions are coming your way, then you have to deal with that as well in a very passionate way, in a very, how do we say, peaceful way. Okay, so you don't have to fight back. You have to be ready to reply, to respond them in a very good way. Okay, so you have to be ready in your career. And for the blessings, if you are going through some difficulties in a relationship, or if you are going through any kind of difficulties, then you are coming out from that difficulties in this August month. Okay, so even if you are in some addictions, you can come out from that in August month as well. Because you are not satisfied right now with your health. So I think some of you might have some addictions. That's very bad for your health. Then you can come out from that addiction as well. So as a blessings, okay. And your second blessing is you are going to be very intuitive. You are going to be very, how do we say, peaceful. Okay, so you are going to be very peaceful. This can be because you are going to take some action towards meditation. You are going to do deep breathing, maybe. This can be anything, right? So you are going to be very peaceful, and your intuitions are going to be very high. So intuition power is increasing in this August month, okay, as a blessings form. And your third blessing is you can avoid every negativity from your life, and you are going to see only the positive way, okay, and you are going to see the future, and you will decide that this is going to be very good for my future, and then you are going to take action towards that. That is a blessings, third blessings for you. I hope you receive all your messages very well, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So I will see you very soon. Bye bye.